Here I have TCL 405, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once, you can just switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to it. For example, you can add calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. Same goes to messages. You can also add repeated callers and alarms into the exceptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select days on which it will be active, you can select its name, start time, end time. You can also enable alarm can override end time. And yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.